Welcome to Steyr Automotive in Austria, where today marks a milestone for us at Volta Trucks. Pioneers of the logistics industry, DB Schenker's management team are here on site, touring the manufacturing facilities and reviewing their first pilot vehicle prior to the delivery of the rest of their vehicles in 2023.
Our goal, self-imposed goals, is for 2040 to come carbon neutral. So we have to go for it, and we will make it. The challenge and the task is huge, but we will definitely deliver.
The whole ecosystem now needs to invest and think about how do we make this transition feasible, commercially viable, and as rapid as possible, because we should have done this yesterday.
As trailblazers in the transport and logistics industries, Volta Trucks and DB Schenker are proud to be pushing the boundaries of their respective sector. Today, we have witnessed a big step on that long-anticipated journey from concept to reality, and there's been real excitement visible as DB Schenker have seen the truck today and dare to imagine what it will be like when the rest of their fleet arrive later this year.